Hi, my name is Nur Hajarani, and today I'm going to talk a little bit about water. Water, what comes across your mind first? A drink? Yes. Water is a form of source when it relates to life. It is able to consist in three different matter in different temperature, which are solid, liquid, and gas. However, water also have a lot of unique properties, making it special. Water consists of 5 unique properties. They are solvent properties, thermal properties, cohesion, adhesion, and water density. A property of water that I'm going to say here is the solvency of water. Water has an important ability to dissolve many substances. By means, I'm going to show you how to make the experiments regarding solvency at home. All we need is 3 cups of water, a spoon, or even glass rod, 2 milliliters of liquid cleaning product, 2 teaspoons of salt, and 2 milliliters of cooking oil. First, take the water cup to pour one of the 3 substances we will test into the cup. Apply the same procedure to the other 2. What can we see from our observation from the experiment just now? You see, water only accepts hydrophilic compounds such as ionic compounds and polar compounds. Sodium chloride, as an ionic compound, can dissolve in water smoothly. Also, polar compounds like ammonia, as in cleaning powder and multi-surface cleaners, is also able to dissolve in water. On the other hand, hydrophobic compounds like fat and cholesterol reject the solvency. Water is important to have solvency role as being extremely important to life by able to transport chemicals, minerals, and essential nutrients. It distributes chemicals within living organisms, including taking toxic substances out of living things and into the environment. Without further ado, let's proceed to another water properties.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh and hello. My name is Muhammad Minin bin Zulkifli. My metric number is E20191023-526. Today, I want to do experiment to show special characteristic of water. My experiment is to prove the thermal properties of water. So, let's begin.
Candle, mat, lighter, and 2 balloons. So that's it.
The experiment is interesting, right? So, how did it happen? So, for the first experiment, when gas is being heated, it expands. Expansion of the gas is too fast, and the balloon cannot accommodate such that fast expansion. Finally, the balloon will explode. Second, water also expands when being heated, but not as fast as gas. This is due to hydrogen bond in water. hydrogen bond absorb most of the heat that is given to water. Thus, more energy and heat are needed for the water to become hot and expand. That's why the balloon is not exploded even being hit. The balloon can accommodate water's slow expansion. So that's all from me. Thank you very much.
Assalamualaikum and hi. My name is Amin from SBK 1013 Introduction to Biochemistry, and today I will conduct a simple experiment which is how to identify the water properties, cohesion and adhesion of water. So the apparatus that we needed, and we can find it at the kitchen, such as tissues, bucket of water, 5 water glasses, food coloring, which is red, yellow and green. So I will choose 3 empty water glasses and put water into the glasses, which is 2 scopes for each one of the glasses that selected. We put food coloring red to one of the glasses, yellow food coloring to another glasses, and last one green for the last glass. Next, we stir the water to make sure the water is clearly. You can see 3 glasses of water has been put water coloring into it. Wait, I want to make sure the other 2 empty glasses clean from water. For the next step, we must put 2 empty glasses between the water in the glasses, like this. And next, we take 4 pieces of tissues. Water aside for a while. We must fold it until it becomes like this. Make it for the rest of the tissues. We fold it into 2 sides and put it one at the empty glasses and another one into water. Make it same for the rest of the water. So now we can see the water has started climb the tissues, and we see the final result after a few minutes. Okay. So now you can see the final result that we get is, before this, two glasses between the colored water are empty. Now the glasses that empty before has full with colored water also, and the tissue papers are completely colored. So we must take off all the tissues. Okay, now you can see all the water level for 5 water glasses are same, and this happened because the water has reached the equilibrium, and the tissue paper cannot absorb more water, and this will happen. All the water level is same, and the reason why the water from the colored water can be transferred into empty glasses that is no water in it, either because the water molecule has climbed the surface of tissues, and it is supported by gravity energy, so the water will come down into the empty glasses. So the conclusion that we can make for this simple experiment is we can completely identify that water has a cohesion and adhesion. So thank you for watching my simple experiment, and good luck in your final exam. Thank you.
Hello, my name is Nurina Soha binti Muhammad Safri. My metric number is E201910235545. So today I will talk about water. Water is very important in life, as our body contains 70% of water. Water is an interesting substance with a chemical makeup that gives it some unique physical properties. So one of the unique properties is density. So I will show you about one simple yet interesting experiment about water density. experiment. So let's see what we have here. So what can we observe here is the color stays separate because each color has a different density due to the different amounts of salt. So the least density floats on water. The red wine is a pure water, no salt added, while the blue wine is 3 tablespoons of salt water. That is why the most density settles at the bottom. Red, yellow, and blue. This is the observation that we can see. So colorful, right? Alright, so based on this experiment, what we can conclude or the reflection is unique water properties are very important for organisms. So for water density, it enables aquatic organisms, for example, to live in oceans and seas. Without water density, the whole ocean or seas will freeze. Without this property, all oceans in ice, rather than just in the surface, starts freezing all and will make all the living organisms in the water freeze too, so that they can't live. Surface freezing works as an insulator to prevent the rest of the water freeze or becoming ice. So that is water density is very important in life. Bye bye. Thank you.